Welcome home to Whitehouse. Beautiful one-owner home with open concept. Tile floors in living/eating/ and halls for easy maintenance. Kitchen features granite counters with breakfast bar and good-sized pantry. Eating area and back patio overlooks a beautiful view of undeveloped land. All bedrooms are good-sized with great closets for storage. Master bedroom slip with 2 walk-in closets, double vanities, soaking tub and walk-in shower. 4th room could be used as an office or another bedroom. Oversized 2-car garage with room for storage. Come see. Come buy.